Today, we're diving into Evolup, the affiliate marketing platform designed to help you choose a niche, build an SEO-friendly site, and write e-commerce copy with the power of AI. As an affiliate, finding your niche can often take weeks or even months. But with Evolup, you can find one almost instantly. Simply pick something you're passionate about. Let's say it's pasta. Evolup will generate product suggestions like cookbooks, pasta drying racks, and pasta shaping tools. It'll even help you brainstorm a brand name. If you're an Amazon affiliate, adding products is super easy. Just plug in your affiliate link and Evolup syncs everything, including product characteristics, photos, and even customizable discounts. Plus, Evolup's AI helps you rewrite your product descriptions, taglines, SEO meta tags, and more, making the process seamless. SEO optimization. Evolup also ensures your site is optimized for technical SEO. Features like forward 4 monitors, sitemaps, and alt text come built in, so you're covered on all fronts. And don't worry about the legal stuff. Evolup guarantees compliance with Amazon's affiliate program, so you don't have to stress over legal copy, buttons, or partner IDs. Everything's handled for you. Custom Website Builder. When it comes to making your affiliate store stand out, Evolup uses WYSIBLOCK technology, which makes creating and navigating websites a breeze. You've got blocks for everything: background videos, forms, product lists, and more. Once you're done, your affiliate site will look polished and professional. How it works. Your product category pages will be clean and organized, with all the original product images and AI-generated copy. When a customer clicks the Amazon Buy button, they're seamlessly redirected to the original Amazon listing. Easy for you, easy for them. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.